Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to my video and how to get money online without investment. So friends, totally fully builds my video and get money online with easily at home. Okay, so let's get started my video. Please like, comment, share my YouTube channel and subscribe must be. So friends, to be your life, go ahead to continue my video and watch full. So friends, welcome to my channel and let's start this video. First of all, open any browser, Google browser, my browser Chrome. Open it and then open it, then enter your search bar, and contestadwords.com. My description box check, please enter your link contyadrs.com and enter her registration. Okay, yes, United Kingdom registration user registering. Oh my god, OMG, show millions paid out, visit, banner impression, anything is very big. Okay, so friends, all of the very nice. About this site, the top players of ads and hope getting customer attention, play your customers and they are yours. Containers user the profanum of direct content between and devastator and potential client due to take your highest efficiency information. Okay, you got started and you first registration, your already account has been login and then no account. First of all, registration. Okay, click here to registration button and then your username, password, select language. I am not robot. Okay, username, username, your username selected. Selected username, any different content username, and then your email, and then your password. Okay, password, your password, password, and then password, same to same password, too many notes. Same password, strong password, your account save. Okay, language English. I am not robot. Okay, all done. I am not robot. Click here to I am not robot and this complete, confirm it. Captcha completed, and I accepted this themes and this service. I accepted and how to click registration. Okay, registration and password save or not save. Okay, and then complete your account and login. Okay, login my account, login your account, and I am not robot. Okay, I am not robot. Click here to I am not robot and then confirm, complete, password save and enter your username and password. Username and password can login. Okay, now login successful under your anything. Login and then to your account and three dot menu, click left three dot menu and earnings, your earnings method, registration of a free. Okay, free registration account. Account second, start earning by watching advertisement. 3, withdraw the profit your wallet. Okay, first of all, registration, watch video and advertisement, and then withdraw the profit your wallet. Okay, I accept it. Okay, my account login here. My Facebook page contains ads, 5-star rating. Wow, also has been ekdom done. Okay, very beautiful, very beautiful site. And back to again, and then registration and login. Okay, your account login unsuccessful, and then FAQ page, contact your any problem, contact email, your name and message, your problem message, and I am not robot. Hard click now and send. Okay, your anything is problem solved now. 24 hours. Okay, and here are quickly traffic, the traffic below delivered by your use as action advised on contest. In we offer many advice in production. Okay, and then go to back any other site, and then real online earning site. Okay, and then how to start a childhood clever home business. Read more. Okay, and read more at cross, and then how to business your first marketing the first step on the having your okay, search the job. Anything is very beautiful. Anything, make a nice dishing of your course, your nice dishing, and earn money. Okay, the second step on how to start a children's home and business is nice chats dishing. Finding someone who can carry cares of you can be a challenge. You will need a fine and super how can need in power inspire to your available advance. You will also need to decide of you will using you wanted using if you reading now very beautiful, please sing and reading your one categories and very challenging, it it gives you a different style. Most baby course bitters paint retailers with houseless shooting and this okay. Search a job, any search job you can find out your Gmail. Okay, set up your online store. You're 18 years old and get keep up to very high. Okay, job 77, studying paid, making advertisement to generate more sales, a successful business offer in digital marketing course. Okay, digital marketing course looking open digital marketing. You must have to start a small creating business from home business, digital marketing. Go your business brand name out in this. Okay, there are rules and then feeling it most beautiful. Okay, find digital marketing course. Okay, find digital marketing course. Anything you submit anywhere digital marketing and anyway. Okay, digital marketing sign up with Google and things. Today's my video and I hope like this video. I hope like this video and please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.